guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited to be partnering up with Honda. We're going to be trying their new 2023 HR-V. So I'll be testing out the HR-V throughout the week and we'll let you guys know my honest thoughts. At the end of this week, we'll be going to a super exciting event. So make sure to watch the entire video. Let's start driving. So far the car is so comfortable. I'm going to turn on. It's not letting me push it all the way through.
Let's click it.
I'm gonna put it at that.
No, reverse.
Where am I gonna reverse to? Okay, the other car? I'm gonna drive, right? Ooh.
So, what's your favorite part of this car right now?
Well, I really like how comfortable the seats are and how spacious the car is, and it's very, very smooth. Like,
yeah,
really smooth.
even sitting on the passenger side, I feel how smooth it is. Yeah, I'm not even driving. That it tells you the average fuel consumption, current drive. It has Bluetooth. Oh my god. Oh!
So we're at Starbucks.
Starbucks.
And I'm gonna get, I don't know what I want to get. I don't feel the Starbucks anymore.
Strawberry frap. So why do you force this about me right now?
Because we just had Subway. I know we were gonna get Starbucks after, but then now that I've had orange soda,
I feel you.
I don't feel like any Starbucks. Never mind. Well, I'm gonna look around Chapters though, because it's like one of my favorite stores. I've been wanting a nice candle in my room.
Sorry, what was that? I couldn't hear you from all that.
I said, I've been wanting a nice candle in my room.
Oh, one wasn't enough? Huh?
Oh my gosh.
Shania.
I think I like this one. Can you not film me like your paparazzi, bro?
I have your power. I'm your biggest fan.
I love coming to Chapters because they have like the best home stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Why are you so annoying? Anyways. Hello.
So we're in Chapters right now. I'm gonna find a book to read, y'all, because I like to read.
What are you currently reading?
Bailey School Kids.
What the hell
is
that?
It's an easy read. There might be pictures in the book too, but it's easy.
Oh god. Anyways, so we're in the kitchen section, which I don't need any more of. I want to go to the room stuff.
She came to Chapters to go to the kitchen section. Check that in.
No, I want to go to the room stuff because I want to get some cute fall stuff. Apparently they have Halloween mugs. Guys, how cute is this?
Yeah, look at this.
This is so cute. I really like this. What do you want?
It's called ball sacks.
Oh my, okay. This is really, really cute. I like that one too, but I hate pumpkin flavored things.
I just say Harry Potter.
Oh my god. You can crochet Dobby? I don't crochet though.
Pumpkin mini waffle maker? What?
Ooh, you can make cute little pumpkin mini waffles. Okay. This looks really good. Salted caramel latte powder. Hey guys, so it's Sunday. We're going to Rolling Loud. It's currently, what's the time? Where's my phone? Did I bring my phone? Oh, I'm filming with my phone. Okay.
It's 4:28.
Let's go. Hi guys, Rolling Loud was so insane. I was so excited for WizKid and he was amazing, of course. Nav was great, AJ Tracy was really good. It was such a fun festival. So it's officially been a week since I received the HR-V and I just have so many things I love about it. It was such an easy drive from the moment I got in. It was so much fun and the steering wheel has such good control that even when I'm driving really fast or through winding lanes, it just felt really easy, and that's not the case for me. Usually when I'm driving really fast, I have to be very hyper focused. That was definitely one of my favorite parts about driving this car. And more importantly, I really love a good, spacious, and comfortable car. I'm not the biggest fan of like smaller cars, especially because when I shoot content, I have equipment, outfits, and things like that, and it can really get crowded. Or if I'm going on a road trip or a beach day, I was able to fit so much into this car and still had so much room to sit comfortably. I feel like a lot of the cars that tend to be that spacious look kind of bulky, but I love that this car had a sporty vibe to it and wasn't that big but had so much room. The wireless charging feature and the built-in GPS definitely helped me. I use that on every single drive because my phone was always about to die, and because of that I couldn't use the GPS, so I had to use the built-in GPS. I never thought I would love it this much. However, I do have one thing that I wish was different, and that is the manual seating. I prefer automatic front seats where I can just click a button and my seat goes up and down, or you know, forward, backward. It's definitely not a deal breaker for me, but it's just something that I would prefer to have, and this is definitely a car I can see myself getting in the future, and I'm so impressed. I love it. Thank you to Honda for making this happen. Thank you to you guys for always supporting me and my content, and if you guys would like to see more vlogs, comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.